Uganda's judiciary Friday celebrated the legacy of Uganda's first ever Chief Justice Benedicto Kiwanuka Magumba Kagimu, who was whisked from his chambers in September 1972 and later brutally murdered on orders of the then President Idi Amin Dada. The 70th memorial lecture in honor of the late Chief Justice was celebrated, promoting a people-centered approach to justice system. The celebrations commenced with a procession led by the current Chief Justice of Uganda, Owiny Dolo. Chief Justice Dolo commended the late Benedicto Kiwanuka for his tremendous work toward a free and independent judiciary.
From 1971, when he was appointed Chief Justice of Uganda, Benedicto Kiwanuka focused on ensuring that the judiciary of Uganda truly executed its constitutional and legitimate mandate to ensure a just society where the people of Uganda receive the true taste of justice.
Chief Justice Dolo also clarified on his meetings with President Museveni, which many say have allegedly led to judicial capture by the state.
But let me also say, and this comes up all the time, that the Chief Justice must not be seen in the company of the President of the country, in the company of the Speaker of Parliament. How else will then the Chief Justice tell the President, why are people being tear gassed? Why is this happening?
President Museveni, through a message conveyed by the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Annet Anita Among, hailed the late Chief Justice Benedicto Kiwanuka's legacy towards Uganda.
Occasions like this give us an opportunity to reflect on our history that was characterized by massive extrajudicial killings under the reign of dictatorial regimes. The NRM realized that there was need to end such killings, which were being carried out with impunity.
Mr. Museveni referred to the late Benedicto Kiwanuka as a selfless defender of human rights and an eminent Ugandan politician.
Remembered for having been selfless defender of human rights and rule of law.
In her own speech, Among committed the executive arm's continuous collaborative relationship with the judiciary, vowing not to give room for any protests whatsoever.
And this kind of pretense of people walking that anti-corruption walk, and you're saying that you are denying people and that is abuse of human rights. If you want to walk and say why you're walking. You're walking because of the anti-homosexuality law, not because of corruption. We will not, and I'm repeating this as a country, we are not going to tolerate it. We will not tolerate it.
The day's keynote speaker, Dr. Zahara Nampeo, equally praised the late Benedicto Kiwanuka's legacy. She, however, cited some challenges that the judiciary faces today.
Abandoned attempts to resolve almost 4.7 million legal problems every year on account of negative perceptions. And the courts are claimed to be slow and bureaucratic, my lord. Additionally, our case backlog is still high. In 2022-2023, the courts closed with a case backlog of 42,960 cases. The Court of Appeal, the High Court, and the Chief Magistrates recorded the highest numbers of these.
During the event, the judiciary awarded two former justices, Moses Egola and Manyindo, for their great service to the country's judiciary.
Those who would desecrate the Constitution of this republic, those who would imperiously tamper with the God-given rights and freedoms of the citizen, all those stand warned.
Amwa Njuko and Viola Nansubuga for UBC.